Hello guys, today I show you iPhone 8 Plus. The motherboard is short and show my magic cam thermal image. See, when I give supply, it's getting short. Okay, see there. Now I will show you where is shortage. See, which part is damaged, it's go white. See here. See.
450 المرة الأولى كان يعني. إيه. والسماعات غالبا ب 330 صح؟ سبيكر الله كم عليك يعني.
It means this part is here is shortage. See, check this. See, you can see it's blinking. It means this portion is short. So now we can fix. We have to check this one. The motherboard is working or not. Check. Here is hard drive and capacitors. We will try to check here. First, to have check with multimeter, with capacitor is short. This portion is short. Now we check with multimeter. See, these capacitors are short. So first try to remove one capacitor, others. So check the shortage in this area. See, these capacitors are getting hot. So it's a main power supply. So first have to remove these capacitors. Now I am removing capacitors. See, now have to check. Now shortage is finished. Now we can check again and give it supply everything. And where is the charging cable for 8 Plus? Here I keep this one. Okay, so enough. Now check this motherboard. See, these capacitors are short. I removed both capacitor. Here is these capacitors are removed. These capacitors are short. Now we have to check this phone, or where is the ground? So check. This motherboard is working or no? There is no shortage. Okay. Now give me new LCD for iPhone 8 Plus.
Okay.
Just a second. Yes. Now we check after shortage clear. Motherboard is working or No.
هذا اليوم موعد
والله
هذا البارح قال الموعد
That
قال لا اليوم لكن يجون لا اليوم خلاص اقول لك يومين
this is iPhone 8 plus new LCD.
قال لي معي عيال
يا اخي هذا طبعه في كل شيء.
اقول له اجل غرفه واحده والعيال يقولون نصدق
لا مستقبلهم لو عياله
قال على الغرفه على يصير ولد
ما شاء الله عليهم ما بيخلونا ننام ما بيخلونا ننام.
والله ما
Yes, mobile is working. See, charging logo is come. Okay, so the problem is
شو مظهره وهذا بس يا اخي ما يذكر صلى على
these capacitor are short. Okay, I will show you here. We remove.
تدخل الصلاة حافي وانت مرتاح.
You can see these. I remove these both capacitor are removed. I will show you in my cam. You can see here.
ما في منهم لا ابو محمد ولا هذا اقول له انا الشقه الاولى كنت حاط صندل
See.
اسمه صندل
I removed.
قدرنا ننظف الصاله لحالي
There.
ما بالله انا قدرنا ننظف.
See, watch in my cam. I removed these both capacitors, so mobile shorting is finished. So that is my magic cam. Thank you.